Good morning, dear judges and audience. My name is Husna Sameullakh and I'm a grade 8 student at the American School of Creative Science in Sharjah, UAE. Today I'll be presenting about my drone design, the Shepherd drone. Next slide. The Shepherd drone is a drone that a farmer uses for his cattle, sheep, or camels. It tracks the animals while they are eating, grazing, or walking. This means that the farmer does not have to walk around with the animals while they are grazing, and the drone can do it instead. The Shepherd drone has a speaker that makes barking dog sounds, alarming noises, and sirens to lead the animals to the right location. The farmer can listen to the animals' live reaction by a direct feedback microphone that is in the drone. Furthermore, the animals can be tracked by a camera that is under the drone, and it also records the footage. Next slide. I'll be talking about the details of my drone here. In order to fly fast and be close to the animals, the Shepherd drone has 4 rotors and is a quadcopter with 4 blades on each propeller. 2 of the propellers turn clockwise and the other 2 turn anti-clockwise in order to remain stable. The drone has a white and navy blue design, and it has an X-frame and a unibody. It is an underslung drone with a camera under it to record live footage of the animals' activity. If something were to happen, the farmer could recheck the live footage and see what the problem was. The drone has a GPS, so its location can be determined by the farmer. It also has landing gear for the drone to land safely on any type of ground, and if one of the propellers were to stop working, it would have a bit of a rough landing, but otherwise it would be stable. Thank you.